Imagine this. You walk outside one night, look up, and the moon is gone. No silver glow, no crescent, just darkness. At first, people think it's an eclipse. But hours pass, days, and it never comes back. The moon, Earth's oldest companion, has floated away into space. What happens next isn't just weird, it's terrifying, because without the moon, Earth unravels, tides collapse, climates flip, and the planet we know slowly turns into something alien. Let's find out exactly what happens if the moon drifts away forever. Our first victim, the oceans. The moon's gravity tugs on Earth's water, creating high and low tides. Without that pull, tides would shrink to about one-third their current size. Sounds calm, right? Wrong. Tides are like the ocean's heartbeat. Without them, entire ecosystems collapse. Mangroves, coral reefs, and tidal pools gone. Fish that spawn with the tides lost. Sea turtles that time their eggs by the moon's glow, confused and dying. Beaches would look normal at first, but the life beneath the waves would be fading away. Earth's first sign of death would start in the sea. Now it gets worse. The moon isn't just decoration, it's our planet's stabilizer. Its gravity keeps Earth's axis tilted at a steady 23.5 degrees. That tilt gives us our seasons. But without the moon, Earth starts to wobble like a broken top. The poles could face the sun for months while the equator freezes. Imagine Antarctica melting while New York turns into Siberia. Our climate would flip again and again for millions of years. Civilizations would rise and fall, unable to predict the next great freeze or firestorm. The moon doesn't just light the night sky. It keeps our world steady. Here's something you probably never thought about. The moon is actually slowing Earth down. Right now, our days get longer by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. No moon. That slowdown stops. Earth spins faster. Days would shrink. Maybe 22 or 23 hours long after millions of years. Winds get stronger. Storms get more violent. And even our sleep cycles start breaking down. Humans evolved under a 24-hour rhythm. Without it, our biology would slowly start to fight itself. The world would move faster, louder, and more unstable. All because the moon stopped holding us back. Look up. No moonlight. No shadows. Just pure, endless darkness. The moon reflects sunlight. Enough to make night look gentle. Without it, the stars would shine brighter. But the world would feel empty. Predators like wolves and owls rely on moonlight to hunt. Prey animals use it to spot danger. Without it, the natural balance between hunter and hunted collapses, and for us, ancient humans use the moon to navigate, tell time, and even survive. Our ancestors would have never made calendars, crops, or myths without it. Take away the moon, and you take away our first sense of rhythm, and our oldest source of wonder. Here's where it gets creepy. The moon isn't just a rock in space. It's written into the DNA of life on Earth. Corals spawn in sync with full moons. Some fish breed only under certain lunar cycles. Even humans, our sleep, hormones, and behavior subtly follow lunar patterns. Without it, everything would be offbeat. Reproductive cycles would fail. Species would die off. Ecosystems would crumble one by one, and in the silence that follows, a new kind of Earth would begin. Darker, harsher, unstable. Fast forward a few thousand years, the Earth is spinning faster, tilting wildly. Climates flipping without warning. The moon's absence has turned our world into chaos. Ice ages and infernos trade places every few centuries. The oceans are quieter, the skies darker. and the delicate balance of life has fractured. Maybe humans survive, maybe we adapt. But we'll be living on a stranger Earth, one that has lost its steady heartbeat, all because our moon floated away. The moon has been with us for over 1 billion years. It shaped our tides, guided our nights, and made life possible. Without it, Earth wouldn't be destroyed, but it would never feel alive again. So next time you see the moon glowing above you, remember, it's not just a light in the sky. It's the guardian of our world, the silent force that keeps everything from falling apart. And if it ever drifted away, Earth would never be the same again. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more.